How to download Binance Wallet app on Android mobile. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can download the Binance Wallet app on your Android mobile. For this, you want to open Play Store. Make sure you have signed into your Google account in Play Store. Now tap on the search bar. Here, you want to search for Binance. Out of the search results, this is the app you should be looking for. If you want to know more about this application, tap on About this app option. Here you can find all the information about Binance Wallet app. If you scroll down, you have the app information that includes version, download size, required OS, and much more. You also have the compatibility for your active devices option down below. Now, if you want the reviews and ratings from users, you can also get that over here. If you want to download and install this application, simply tap on the install button. Now, depending on the speed of your internet and the file size, it will take some time for this application to be downloaded. Once it has been downloaded, it will be automatically installed on your device. All you have to do after the installation is completed is tap on the open option, create your new account, or simply log in if you already have an account. Then you can start using Binance Wallet app. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.